The heart of fine Swiss watchmaking is a picturesque valley in the Swiss mountains called La Vallée de Joux. It was here that Romain Gauthier developed his passion for traditional Haute Horlogerie, blended with clean contemporary design and innovative micro-engineering. After earning a master's degree in business management in 2000, Romain Gauthier decides to develop his first caliber. A passion leading to 6 long years of study, research, movement development, crafting of components, prototyping, testing, and finally the creation of his own brand. It is in 2006 that the first collection, called Prestige, is officially presented at the Basel World Fair. Beyond the watches, the brand became a real manufacturer after a few years only, managing its own production, including manufacturing, finishing, and assembling. Using the most recent technologies in terms of manufacturing and control, added to the yesteryear watchmaking method of assembly and finishing, every Romain Gauthier watch is a real masterpiece dedicated to the collectors and watch lovers.
I needed to realize my own and unique movement, to be really with a high horology style, and it was really something fundamental for me. The conception, the manufacturing, the finishing, and everything need to be in-house. For me, it's really the only one way. It's my way, and I will continue all the future with this stream. Yeah.
To produce the components, the company has to conceive and create its own tools. In its workshop, the manufacturer possesses several last-generation traditional and CNC machines through which the different components of the watches are machined. Thereafter, all the components are checked thanks to the most sophisticated control devices to be sure that each part perfectly matches the requirements of the specifications. In the pure Vallée de Joux style, the 2206 HM caliber counts no less than 6 bridges. Every bridge is hand-finished by the watchmaker. This operation requires a very meticulous work and demands a high level of skills and dexterity from the file to the cabron, and finally, the last operation, the use of gentian to get the perfect polishing.
This is something that we use to do the final polishing, and it's something that we find on the nature in the valley. What we use is the inside. The inside of this material is something very smooth, and we use that. We cut with a triangular shape to realize a tool.
The polished sinks are also realized by hand in the pure respect of the watchmaking traditions. The perlage and the Côte de Genève are the final decorations on the bridges and plates. Finally, the parts in steel are thoroughly finished with a black polish. The Prestige collection features an original in-house movement and design. The elegant hand-guilloched solid gold dial with off-center time indication is fairly traditional. However, the apparent lack of a crown gives an indication that the movement beneath it is not. The superbly finished movement features an innovative flat crown on the back, which is easy to wind on the wrist. In the end, the result hence is fantastic.